Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a hair growth leave-in slash hair rinse that will have your hair growing like crazy. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So to first start off this recipe, I'm going to be boiling some water. I'm going to be pouring 4 cups of distilled water into the pan. So right now I have the stove on high heat just so I can get the water to start boiling, and then once I start adding my ingredients, I'm going to turn the heat down to medium heat. So the first ingredient that I'm going to be adding to the boiling water are going to be cloves, and cloves can be found in the spices section of the grocery store. And the reason I'm going to be using cloves is because they help to increase circulation in the scalp and in turn work to stimulate new healthy hair growth. Also, it can help repair, strengthen, and add healthy shine to the hair shaft when applied regularly. Also, cloves helps to refresh and enhance your hair's natural color. Also, I use 2 tablespoons of cloves, and the second ingredient that I'm going to be adding to the boiling water are going to be nettle leaves. And nettle leaves help in combating hair loss. It also helps in hair regrowth. Also, nettle leaves are rich in silica and sulfur, which helps makes the hair shinier and healthier. Also, I added 2 tablespoons of nettle leaves to the boiling water, and I'm just going to reduce the heat to medium heat, and I'm just going to let this boil for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, this is what the leave-in slash hair rinse is looking like, and I'm just going to remove it from the heat, and then I will be straining it. This part is optional. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of rosemary leaves and put it into a mason jar, and then I'm going to pour the hair rinse into the mason jar, and I'm just going to let it infuse overnight. But if you want, you can stop here and just let the hair tea cool down, and then you could put it into a spray bottle and then apply it to your hair. And the reason why I'm going to be using rosemary leaves is because rosemary leaves can help promote hair growth during the growing phase, and it also increases the number of follicles and also overall hair growth. If you want to improve your hair thickness and hair growth, rosemary is a great choice due to its ability to improve cellular generation. So now it is the next day, and I'm just going to strain the rosemary leaves out of the hair rinse, and then from there I'm just going to place it into a spray bottle for easy application. So you can use this hair growth tea rinse as a leave-in, or you could use it as a hair rinse. So I'll be showing you guys me using it as a leave-in. So I'm just going to be spraying it on my roots and then following up with a hair serum. I'm going to be using the Creole Lily Fenugreek and Aloe Vera hair serum, which you can find on my website, which is linked down in the description box. And you can use it as a hair rinse. So I would suggest after you finish washing out your deep conditioner on wash days, as your final rinse, just use this tea. So if you're going to be using it as a leave-in, I would suggest just incorporating it into your moisturizing routine, whether you moisturize your hair 1 to 3 times a week. It's safe to use up to 3 times a week. Also, if you plan on using it as a tea rinse, I would suggest using it, of course, on your wash days. When not in use, I would suggest putting it into the refrigerator. It should last about 3 weeks to a month. If you put it in the freezer, it should last about 3 months in the freezer. So that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.